Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an updated video on how to make pink lemonade. Pink lemonade is one of the best selling lip glosses in my shop. It is strawberry lemonade scented and is clear. So most of the ingredients are still the same. I'm just going to be tweaking the formula a little bit and answering some of your questions. So for this, you are going to need a lip gloss base, and a lip gloss base, I get mine from TKB Trading. But you could also get like less expensive one on Amazon or other websites. The Flexigel is an optional ingredient. You don't have to use this. And what this is a pre-made lip gloss base. It has all of the oils and everything. So all you have to do is add your coloring and your flavor. Squalane oil is my favorite oil to use because it's moisturizing and it's clear so it doesn't stain the product. And this is one of the best oils to use in products because some people are allergic to nut oils like sweet almonds or coconut, but this oil derives from olives and most people are not allergic to it. For coloring, I get most of my colors from TKB Trading. To get started, you're gonna need syringe, pipette, and you're gonna need a spoon to mix with. So I am starting off by adding my lip gloss base into the bowl. I'm kind of just eyeballing the ingredients. I've been making this lip gloss for a little over 4 years now, so I kind of know the consistency that I like. If it's too thin, I add more lip gloss base. And if it's too thick, I just add a little bit more oil. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is the polybutene. And the polybutene, it's really what makes the lip gloss really thick and moisturizing. This is not an ingredient that you want to skip. So I would say this is one of the musts. And you can kind of see the thickness. It's like a honey consistency. So polybutene is a little bit on the expensive side. If you're looking for a little 5-ounce one like I'm using in this video, this would be about $15. And if you're looking for a 15-ounce, it'll be about $30. So it is definitely expensive, but this ingredient is worth it. Flexigel is an optional ingredient, and I'm using this in replacement of the hydrogenated polyisobutene. And what that is really what makes the lip gloss super shiny and glossy. And I'm using the Flexigel because it already contains that ingredient plus other oils. For oil, I'm gonna go ahead and add my squalane oil. And this oil works perfectly for pink lemonade because this lip gloss is light pink and this oil does not change the color at all. So in my old formula, I used to use avocado oil and grapeseed oil, but those oils are not really necessary for this formula because since I am using the Flexigel, it does contain most of the oils that I need, like vitamin E oil and jojoba oil, and I think there's one more other oil that I can't remember right now, but it has like 3 or 4 oils. So I'm just gonna give this lip gloss base a mix until I am happy with the consistency. And you will know that the consistency is good when it's not too runny or too thick. And for my coloring, I am using a color called Slideshow Pink from TKB Trading. So I'm using a pipette to add in the colors because these colors are so pigmented and little goes a long way. And also by adding the color little by little, you could always add more if you're not happy with the pigment. But if you add too much color, then you're going to have to add more base and then it's just going to be a little bit harder to adjust. So now that I have added my color, I'm just going to give this a good mix. And when I get the pink that I'm looking for, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my flavoring oil. And this lip gloss is strawberry lemonade scented. So I'm going to be using a strawberry and lemonade flavoring oils. And I get my flavoring oils from Get Suckered. They have so many different variety of oils that you can use for your lip glosses and even candy making. So I would definitely check them out, and they're about $7.99. And I'm also going to be adding preservative. This is a Cap 2 preservative from TKB Trading. I did have a lot of questions about this preservative on my previous video, but you get this from TKB Trading, and honestly, since lip gloss is an oil-based product, you really don't need a preservative. I personally just use preservative to be extra safe, but if you don't need one, if you do want to get one, you can get one from TKB Trading, and I think it's about $6 or $7. And I'm gonna keep on saying this, but when you are using a preservative, make sure you're only using few drops. Do not use preservative like an oil. You're only supposed to use few drops depending on the weight of your product. And if you use too much, it's gonna have your lips feeling numb or tingly, and you do not want that, especially if you're gonna be selling products to customers. And this step is not really necessary, but I just noticed that when I'm making products and I leave it overnight, like the lip gloss comes out a lot more clear because it kind of like gets rid of the air bubbles. So when you're making a lip gloss, after mixing the lip gloss and you're done, you're happy with the consistency, I would just cover it and let it sit there a little bit. If you can let it sit overnight, that'll be better, but just let it sit for a couple of hours so that way it can kind of clear out the bubbles before filling it into the tube. So the next step is my favorite, and it is filling the lip gloss tubes. And when filling the tubes, you are going to need syringe and a pipette. A syringe is not going to be able to reach at the bottom of the tube, so you do need a pipette. Also, when you are filling up the lip glosses, make sure you're not filling it all the way to the top. You do need to make space for the wand. So if you fill it to the top, the wand's not going to go all the way down, or the lip gloss is just going to create a mess. Also, one of the questions that I get asked a lot is where I get my lip gloss tubes. So I get my lip gloss tubes from a website called Alibaba. It is located in China, and they make the lip gloss tubes and the labels, and they just ship it over. But if you just want a lip gloss tube without the label, you can get these kind of tubes also from Amazon and different websites. So here's what Pink Lemonade looks like, and this lip gloss is super girly. It's pink, it's strawberry lemonade scented, and most importantly, it is super hydrating. And this lip gloss is only available on my website, bintibeauty.com. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Anyway, that is it for today's video, and I hope you find this video very helpful. If you have any questions for me, make sure you leave it for me down in the comments. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.